Hello everyone, Ceri the Crafter here, that's C-E-R-I the Crafter. I'm here with a quick little video. Okay, ignore this is just covering up my address label. So I've got a friend called Eddie Reyes who is Eddie Makes Art. Well, Eddie Makes Art, Eddie Makes Ceri by Paint as well. Eddie was using some absolutely fabulous metallic paints the other day on his channel, and I will link his channel. And I'm running really low on metallics. Like basically I've got copper and gold. I think that's it. And he was using Liquitex Metallics. Now I went back through my swatch book because I always swatch all of my paints and all my pencils as well. Let's take that out so nobody gets to see my address. Let's take these out of here. And I've never used Liquitex before, so I thought, you know, opportunity knocks. Let's get rid of that and all the annoying noise. So I looked online, I went onto eBay, and I found this box set. This is as much as I can tell you about it. So I don't know whether you want to screenshot it, look at it, search for it. There's 6 118 milliliter bottles in here. And when I looked at the individual price, it was definitely a saving buying them in this setup. So I'm excited to use them. So I'm going to open them up, try not to pierce the tubes of paint. I'm going to open these up and I'm going to just do a really quick swatch on them, just because Eddie said they're really nice and creamy and they give good coverage. Now I am going to be using them for several things, probably my art journal, as well as, let's take these out of here. Oh, that's a nice array of colours. Okay, I'm already liking that. I'm not a lover of pink, but pink is okay. What's this supposed to be? Metallic red. Looks a bit salmon to me, but we'll the jury's out until I've used it. I'm loving this colour. I'm loving this, loving this, loving this. These two, maybe I need to embrace the pink. So Eddie said they're really nice and creamy to use. So I've pulled out just some mixed media paper, and I've got just a paintbrush and some water to clean up my brushes. Just want to see what these like. Now, I do quite a bit of art journaling, so I want to be able to use them with a brush. I've already seen Eddie using them with the brayer on a gel plate, which is another thing I do a lot of. So I'm like, you know what? I know they work on a gel plate, just want to see how they handle. Let's go into the metallic red that I don't like the look of, first of all. So very judgmental, Griffiths. So I'm going to wet my brush just because all of the others are going to have a wet brush. So I'm going to take a pea-sized piece out of here and let's just see what this looks like. Okay, there's a good bit of pigment in here. Now I'm covering white here. Now I know with my brayer, I will be putting this out thinner. So there's a good sheen to this, good coverage. You certainly couldn't say that's a semi-transparent. And it does say here that it's an opaque. I'm happy with opaque. So opaque is what I like to use. So let's just clean up my paintbrush. And note to self, don't put as much paint the next time around, because that was definitely too much paint. Right, let's go to magenta. Now, actually, joking aside, I'm not a great lover of pink, but I do quite like magenta. So, ooh, that's a nice rich colour. Eddie is right. Don't tell him he's right, though, because I don't want Eddie to know I think he's right. It is a really nice buttery consistency. Now, I have used Liquitex products before now. I use their matte gel medium. I've used quite a few of their mediums, but not really their paint. So, did I use a Liquitex transparent white once? I think I must have used. That, again, is a beautiful colour. Okay, loving that. Right, clean the brush off, Griffiths. Excuse the splashing noises. Right, let's go to the purple. I saw Eddie use this. I already know this is a fierce colour. Absolutely love this colour. I like the size of these too. I mean, very often when you buy a sample pack, you've got these little, and there's probably 30 mil or 20 mil in each, and I can go through one of those easily just in one gel printing session. So I may be converted. I like to use Pebeo paints, or Pebeo. I call it Pebeo because I asked them once how to pronounce the name, and that's how they told me to pronounce it. Now, I normally use their paints, but lately I found some of their paints are becoming very chewy. Like the black one is almost like chewing gum sometimes. And I'm looking for new metallics anyway, so loving the sheen on those. So I think, Eddie, you may have done me a solid, buddy. So, right, those are the warm colours. Let's look at the cools. Now, this is absolutely glorious. Metallic blue. Again, just a little bit. I'm being really overly generous with this paint. I'm only swatching it. I will cut these up into something, guys. Don't worry, the paint's not going to be wasted. Oh, to me, that's almost a kingfisher blue. You know, that vibrant blue you see? Well, I'm assuming everyone's seen a British kingfisher, so I shouldn't be doing that really, should I? But that's a lovely bit of blue. Okay, loving that. Well, I've not seen any fails yet. I'll be happy to play with these in the future. I've got colour combo coming up soon. I wonder whether any of these will fit in with this. Right, metallic aqua green. Now, the other thing I like to do with metallics is sometimes I will mix them with each other to find out what variations you can get. So if you've got metallics hanging around, I would suggest play with that, because I know when you've got Pebeo paints, the DYNA range, I think they are. If you mix the orange with the green, you get a beautiful copper. So play around with them, guys. Don't just keep them as the color they are. Okay, that one of all of them is a little less in consistency, or I may have just put too little on the brush. So just know it could be user error. I'm eager to play with these on my gel plate, to be honest, because I've seen some stunning metallic work off Eddie lately. He's been using his design stencils and other design. Oh, I'm loving this green. Other design stencils. Now, I think there's more than this color range in Liquitex. Now, by nature, I'm someone who collects. And what I mean by that is, if I find out there's another 12 of these metallics, I am very likely to dump them all into my wish list and purchase them. Now, I purchased all of these myself. I used the money that you guys have kindly gifted me over the time through Super Thanks, and I do put that into a pile, a fund, which I then dip into buy new supplies. So thank you to all who've done that, because you've enabled me to buy these as an experiment. I am loving those. Okay, I forgive you, Eddie. You enabled me to purchase, and I'm pleased you did. Those are wonderful, and yeah, I'm happy with that. That gladdens my heart. It also expands my actual choice for painting in the future. So, guys, thanks for the patience. It was just a quick little one. I just wanted to share with them with you, to be honest with you, because I thought the excitement of me opening them, you never know, you may be in the market for metallics as yourself. So I'm Ceri Griffiths, that's Ceri the Crafter. Until next time, goodbye now.